Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, and I also have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. That may answer your questions and give you more clarity in your situation, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energy, guys. So we have whips, house, and coffin. So, Taurus, in your situation today, guys, maybe you are, uh, you just want to, move away, isolate yourself, maybe avoid certain things that is causing anxiety or fear in you. And you are running away from certain things in your life today, guys. Maybe for some of you, you have some habits, you want to run away from those habits, or you want to overcome those habits. These habits, it may be some kind of a bad habit. It is simply stressing you a lot, worrying you a lot. You want to give up those addictions or those habits, and you are trying really hard to do that today, guys. Taurus, and maybe for some of you, your struggles are going to um bear fruit, guys. Maybe these addictions are ending and you are going to be really happy because things are going to take a positive turn in your situation, guys, Taurus. So all that effort, all that you have done, struggles you have faced in your situation, all that is going to end and you're going to see a secure, stable future or stable life. It may be something in your career or again in your personal life. With this person in this love, you are going to feel so much love and secure and stable, guys, in this connection with this person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Clover, a very positive card here, guys. This card stands for good luck and happiness, abundance and prosperity. So maybe it is right there in front of you, maybe the love you wish for. It is right there in front of you. You need to just see it. Maybe this person you are interested in, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, maybe you have an image of this person you want to be with. That person, that dream person is right in front of you. You just have to see it, guys. And this clover card, it means good luck. Maybe you are going to be extremely lucky in love. That is the energy here with this card, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card. It is tree. So even in your career, you are going to build that strong, stable foundation in your career situation, and you are working towards that. And that is the reading with these cards, guys, Taurus. If you are interested, stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today's pick a card. We have two cards here, and it is from the fairy tale oracle. So these cards may clarify your situation, give you some answers. So you need to close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can either meditate thinking of these crystals or with the cards, and then you can choose the card which comes to you first as you open your eyes. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card here. We will see what it is. It is Wounds, Verde Prato. That is the card for you all. It just means that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone from the people close to you. So you have kept some secrets from them, and they are trying to punish you or hurt you because you are holding something secretly close to your heart and you are not willing to reveal that. And maybe today the worst things have happened in your situation because you have held the secret for so long, and something has happened because of that. But today you can reveal your true feelings for this person and you can speak your mind. So that way you will not put your love or put your feelings to more danger. So there are people in your situation who are trying to control you, guys. They are here as your friend or a family member, but they are trying to control you, dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. Because they are really irritated because you have not revealed what is there in your heart to them. So they feel really bad and they want to do something against you. They want to punish you or hurt you in return. But if you want your love to grow or flourish, you have to come out with your true feelings. You have to reveal what you feel about that person in truth, guys. So that way you will be true to your heart, and you need courage in your heart to do that, guys. That is what I see. So you need to face your fears. Maybe you are afraid that this person, maybe your friend or a family member, they may not have that acceptance for this love. But whatever it is, we have to face our fears. Whatever fears we have to face. We have to have that courage in our hearts to stand up for what we believe in and stand up for what we love. So, or for some of you, you are having a secret affair with someone and you are hiding it, maybe. So you need to bring it out, guys. That is the energy with this card. Tell the truth today. That is the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. Let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this crystal and this card, it says Fairy Ointment, the Sight. So the energy with this card is that maybe for some of you, you have some rare gifts. Maybe you have a great intuition guiding you every step of the way. And today, maybe in your circumstance, you are seeing some things and it is truthful to you. You know what will happen, or you know in that circumstance how things are going to go, or you have an idea how things will go, or it will take course. But you need to keep this gift silently, guys, because you should not reveal what you truly feel without people asking you, because it is best that way to give our suggestions only when someone is asking for it, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to what to say, if you speak without that person asking you what it is, or they may not trust you, they may even feel what to say, irritated, because they may feel that you are saying things because you are jealous or envious towards them. That is the reason you are speaking few things, and they may not even trust your intuition. So if you are someone with some rare gifts, maybe intuition is something I am giving as an example, maybe you know, or for some of us we may have a feeling that something bad, when something bad is about to happen, we may have some kind of a premonition. So when we have that, those kind of gifts, it is best that we keep it to ourselves instead of revealing it. We can suggest some things to help that person to avoid that circumstance, but we should not come out with the truth that we see things in such a way, or we fear that so and so may take place, and we should not tell our we should not talk openly about our gifts, guys. Maybe this may be your circumstance today, guys, so you need to be silent. If you have some intuition telling you some certain things, you need to be silent. And if it is with someone really close to you, you can just help them avoid that situation, guys, so that way it is not going to affect that person nor you. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this if this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.